Let me show you guys how you can use your life insurance as a private reserve of cash, right? So let's look at this case study. Dominic is a healthy 39-year-old male and he has two daughters, a 7-year-old and a 9-year-old. Now Dominic's salary is roughly $16,000 a month, and Dominic already has an existing life insurance policy. He has one for $2 million term and a $500,000 critical illness. He also has a personal pension plan and he has a pension plan at work. So he believes that he is adequately funded in terms of replacing his income, protecting his income, and his retirement planning. But what we're going to do, we're going to use his life insurance, or we're going to structure his life insurance in such a way that he can use it as a private reserve of cash for different things, right? So let me show you what I mean by that. So basically, we're going to do a life insurance for Dominic for $500,000. So with this life insurance, 10 years into the policy, Dominic has the option he could withdraw $60,000. He could possibly use this to fund one of his daughter's wedding, maybe give them a down payment towards the wedding. Or let's say he decides not to do that. 15 years into the plan, he could either take $125,000 from his life insurance or give it to one of his daughters to start a business or a down payment on a house, etc. That is also an option. Maybe 20 years into the plan, his daughters may decide that they want to go and do their masters or specialize in a particular field. He could withdraw $210,000 from his life insurance. Do none of these things, and he kept the policy. He didn't give his daughters money for the wedding. He didn't give his daughters money towards a down payment on the house or college education or anything like that. And he just kept the policy. And let's say at 67, he has a medical emergency. Maybe at that time his critical illness has matured. He no longer have any coverage. He could withdraw $410,000 again from the life insurance policy to use it to cover any emergency or any situations that he may arrive at this particular age. Or let's say he decided to do none of these things. He didn't give his daughter money, he didn't give any of them any money, he didn't withdraw any money. At 70, he could still get $500,000 from his life insurance policy. Of course, if it is he withdraw money 10 years, it's going to be less money in 15 years and vice versa. Right? I'm just giving out different scenarios that he could use the money for. Of course, Dominic as well is not actively saving for any of these things, but we just structure his life insurance in such a way that it can't provide for any of these things. If you guys saw value in this and would like to get more information, click the link in my bio or contact me via the number below, which is 475-0495.